Minista muviani wa leba Dr. Alfred Mutua niweevathulana na kiko kila kiendeeye kwikumbila uthukumi wake kukonya ivalua sya wanganganya Nthi Sya Nza nayu eweta amuika ala mena maunyungunyiisyo methiitwe maithi ivaluani kwisila mavalua ma ndambuka na kandalasi sya wanganganya ni waweta kufikia uyu serikali ni vetangite license mana 5 sya kambuni mbamatu ila sithitwe kwa miaka mingi imavena enenthi na serikali ithitikila muvango kwanangiwa ni andu anini ala matenda serikali ithukuma mwene nthini wa kumanthia amuika Mawia Benjamin mwaka ena mauvu.
Minista wa leba Dr. Alfred Mutua eweta amuika ala methiitwe mathia maiweta mavenue ni serikali ilingizine kuthukonyesyo mandhua Mawia ma Nthi Sya Nza meko kengana na eweta mavalua mo Mawia na ndambuka Nthi Sya Nza ila methiitwe kuthukuma maikuendanya ona vanina mwalanyu ma wosani wa Mawia aula ungamiwe ni serikali.
I saw some media reports saying, oh, these kazi maju travel agencies. Hapana, hiyo ni uongo. The people being trafficked to all these countries were actually hired by people either online or by travel agencies or by other people who are not registered with the Republic of Kenya. The government of Kenya does not know those people. So somebody sees an ad somewhere, instead of checking whether that person is recognized, you sign up with that person. They even have been traveling with tourist visas. All the people you see here are not traveling with tourist visas. They are traveling with employment visas. So the people who have been trafficked are either log in online or they go, and that's what we are saying. We want you to be very careful. Do not work with any agency that is not registered, because you are working with a total stranger. Make it very difficult for even us to talk to them. So these people have been conned are not part of we are not part of the government program. Those are people who are being taken advantage of by people who are conning the people of Kenya, young people, because of their desperation. So it's very important to get that point across.
Ingeweta ingi maamuika ala methiitwe mauzusia miana neti no kulyo uila wana maitungwa musie methiitwe na mathina mawau utumi wa ndawa sya kumila gatwa mathina angi.
People travel and people are returned for various reasons. And some of the reasons are personal reasons. You've been tested here, you're okay. But you're traveling maybe 2-3 months after testing. You go to a country, they retest you, they find you're HIV positive, for example. Or they find that you have taken drugs, because it shows in your blood between the time you are tested here and there. Or they find an anomaly of something you've caught a chest infection between this time and that time you are tested. And people are sent back. So when you see people are sent back, at times you don't want to tell you this person amerudishwa kwa sababu yuko HIV positive, because that's their right. So some people are complaining, going to newspapers, nilienda nikarudishwa, but you know, it is because they went and they were found to be sick or to be found not to qualify for some medical reasons, and that's a reality. Wanarudi hapa wamerudishwa, mnasema fake, hati conning. They are not being conned. It's just a reality of the day of what happens with recruitment in these countries that are very strict when it comes to your health care.
Nwaweta vena andu ingi mevwatiti meenda kuvakandaka muvango wa serikali wa kazi majuu na serikali iliisolelia muungamo kana kulichenzeve.
I will not stand by and see a program being diminished by people who are afraid that this program of William Ruto will succeed. Number 2, I will not stand by and see any young person being conned. And they know very well.
Kwenana na Minista Mutua kana kambuni mana 5 sya kumanthia nthi Mawia ma Nthi Sya Nza nisiungamitwe kumanwa na uthukumi wa wanganganya na nukugwatiania na ngava ingi sya serikali kumosea matambia maima kimeao kwa kumasikata ene kambuni hii kotini.
Nao akora tunawafukuza sana hao. Akora. And I'm working with the DPP. I'm working with the Honorable Mudavadi. We're working with the Attorney General's office, because since I got into this ministry, I realized that for the last 2 years, nobody has been prosecuted. Hardly anybody has been prosecuted. There is a slowness in prosecution. which we have discussed, and I'm going to make sure people are prosecuted. It's been a push. I started about a month ago, written letters to ensure that we see prosecutions. So that these agencies, some of them have been blacklisted. We've ensured that they don't con people.
Kuma vaka untini lovi ndilivotia vilingwa mauvonye nito Benjamin mwaka